Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, a new week. New week. Yes, it's Monday, February the 7th, 2022. And in this newspaper, we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. We have also an additional with six extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, the Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Yes, Monday, new day. And what is the news of today? Well, yes, we won the gold medal. The Olympic Winter Games is already started, so a gold medal for us in Holland. All right, but you are not interested in the Winter Games. No, let me continue. Where's the page? Where is the page? With the puzzles here. Yeah. You are interested in the Sudoku Medium. So let's get started with the Medium Sudoku first. And I won't solve all those extra Sudokus. In additional, only 3 of them, half of them I will solve. So include this one, 4 puzzles. Alright. Before I start, wait. This one, the Sudoku Medium, will be number 4089. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 29. So should be an easy one. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, it's a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one, 29. Okay, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Let me see. The one in the first row, the one in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the one should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the first row. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in that column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in this row, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 3 in this column. Last column. 3 in the column next. So that column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. Then. How about 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. and the 5 goes there. Okay. 5 in this third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then I'm thinking. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. Here, 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. 2, 8, 7. How about yeah. 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the second row, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 4. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Yeah, the 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Okay. Alright. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. So this box can't be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. We have all the 6's, and all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in first column, so no 1 in that box. Here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so no row above. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 1. Cannot continue with the 1. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Okay. Then 7, 8, 8 and a 7. Okay, two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this row. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. Okay. Okay, 7, 7, 7 and 8. Let me think. In this column, middle column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Okay. 8. 8, 4, 3. Let me think. We have a 8. Yeah. 2 missing numbers. Wait. 2 missing numbers here. 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. Will be difficult. 8, 8. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So now we have a pair 3 and 8 in this row, 3 and 8 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So no 4 here, 3 and 8. So I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Okay. 1 number left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay, 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Okay, this is a 5. Okay, 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't have 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 here. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you I need 14. Sorry, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I've solved this in 40 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I still have troubles with my voice. Cannot talk too much. Anyway, well, I see you later with the other puzzles. Other puzzles in the additional of today's newspaper. Yes. Oh, I left two numbers. 9 and 3. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 3 goes there. And before I leave, I always, well, I started 2 weeks ago analyzing these numbers, the center box of the big square. And let me write it here. Yeah, analyzing. Maybe I see a pattern. Maybe you see a pattern. 983, 983, 715, 715, 715, and 247. 247. So we have here one pair, I believe. Yeah, the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the 7. We have one pair in this puzzle. Okay, thank you and see you later. Bye bye for now.